Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the fix on the most common problems on BOOX PALMA 2 Pro. So first, scroll from the top, and if you have a problem with Wi-Fi, open it, disable Wi-Fi and enable once again, then wait for it to load. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi and forget. Then try to type in your password once again. And it should work. If you still have any problems, then you need to restart your phone and the router. Then, if you have any issues with the Play Store, go into the settings. Then right here, find the apps, applications, then find Google Play Store in here, and you have the storage and clear cache. If you have any more issues, at the end of the video I'll show you how to forcibly restart your phone. Then the battery. Go into the settings and then power. Try to disabling the protect battery. Then you have the auto sleep, Wi-Fi status after sleep, Bluetooth status after sleep and audio status after sleep. Make sure that it is stay connected, because when you just close the apps on your phone and power it off, every feature will disable with it. Then go into the password and security. You have the change lock screen password. If you have any issues with the password here, you can change it. And if you have any issues with fingerprints, then type in your password. Here click delete the finger and add another fingerprint, or you can verify the fingerprint. As you can see, it worked. Now, to forcibly restart your phone if any of the issues weren't fixed by now, then just click and hold the power on button and keep holding it a couple of seconds, or you can just click here restart button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.